What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. Let me put my seatbelt on, guys. But just dropped my kids off at school here. But I really want to shoot this video because I just plugged into a system, guys, where this is a true done for you system. If you're looking for a way to make an additional income online, you know, and you really don't, you don't know how to really make sales videos, you know, you're scared to put yourself on camera, I got something pretty much for you. Now me, I like to brand myself and things like that. That's just something that I do. So me, I like marketing systems and third-party marketing systems as well, and I integrate those third-party marketing systems into these type of marketing systems. But some people don't like to, but I've actually came across a system that is allowing you to pretty much plug and play, where you're able to use a system and only thing you need to do is drive traffic. And pretty much the creator of that system is going to do everything, literally all the follow-ups. And what I did, guys, I actually did a test on it where I actually opted in this system or checked this system out literally probably about 2 weeks ago. And I wanted to see how everything works and how everything follows up. And pretty much, guys, this system is amazing. This system is I mean, when I say it's amazing, it is amazing, man, to the point to where the only thing that you need to do is just send traffic to it, okay? So I uploaded a video yesterday of a mastermind that the owner had with a lot of successful people that are utilizing the system. And I uploaded, so if you didn't get a chance to check it out, guys, check it out. It's pretty much a funnel that offers multiple income streams inside of it, and the only thing you need to do is plug into those income streams, and the system does everything. I mean, from the back office, from setting it up to training to the follow-ups. Literally, he has everything set up, man. I've never seen anything like this here. And the reason I'm definitely loving it is because it already has one of my income streams in it, and you know, and that's one of the programs that I definitely like to put people in because it's about education. So guys, definitely check it out, man. Everything that I'm involved in, you know, if you don't know, is education pretty much of something, learning. If it's financial literacy, you know, you're learning about it, and if you're going to tell others about it, or if you're going to help others fix their credit, then pretty much you're going to utilize that program as far as financial literacy goes. You know, if it's something that's marketing, education, and if you're choosing to be online and I want to show you how to do this, then pretty much I'm going to tell you to check out something that does offer marketing training that's going to give you everything you need, not from some marketer who actually is going to give you bits and pieces because he know you're going to be his competition. So, you know, we plug you in the right programs that actually give you all of the information.
New text message from 26498.
So pretty much, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I just wanted to let you know something that I'm checking out here. It's a free system. You just got to plug into the income stream, so then that way you can do what you got to do to make the money, man. So I plugged in, and I just wanted to kind of check the system out. Like I said, I plugged in this system probably 2 weeks ago, and I wanted to see how the follow-ups and everything went as far as everything going, how it follows up, you know, how many times. And the way this thing follows up is amazing, man, where eventually you be like, man, okay, let me take a look, let me go back in. And that's how it works, okay? So check it out, all right? I'm gonna leave the link at the bottom here like I did on the last video. So if you didn't watch the last video where we're breaking everything down, like my boy Stark said in the Avengers, he said, yo, you guys over there, y'all know why I'm breaking it down? That's my movie, man. All right, but definitely check it out, man. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys. It's your boy Jay. We're gonna make it quick. Hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out. Peace.